Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add Amazon reviews to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make are Amazon reviews. So just go to top right and click sign up for free. Now we want to sign with a Gmail, Facebook or normal mail, and when you got it, click login. Right then, in search, you just want to write Amazon. And you see here Amazon reviews. So let's create a widget. And you have to choose between carousel, between everything. And I'm going to choose the carousel. So let's continue with the template. And now you just add here the URL here. And you see here that you can change the filters, the sorting and everything, the layout, and review style. Then just click save. Right after, do you need to choose a plan? If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000, up to 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And now I'll just write in search HTML. And paste the code here. And voila, here we got it. Really amazing Amazon reviews for your website. I'm going to preview the changes right now. And yeah, amazing, right? Have a great day, goodbye, and see ya.